Hi students, today I'm going to show you how to add your speaking assessment to your ePortfolio. So first click on classwork and then you'll see that I am in week 6. So make sure you go to week 6 and you'll see your assignment here, ePortfolios number 4 speaking assessment. I posted it this morning. Copy these instructions into your notebook. Okay, so you're copying these in your notebook. It says number 1, click on your ePortfolio. Number 2, click and drag your speaking assessment into the speaking artifacts. Number 4, double click on inventory sheets. Number 5, oops, I'm missing a number 3. At the bottom, click on the Speaking tab and scroll down with the arrow to fill in the following information. The date is February 19th, 2021. The task is tell Julie how to register for a Metro course. Number 6, put a check mark beside formal assessment and giving instructions. Number 7, put a check mark beside your result. Okay, and then the last step is you need to go in and view the assignment, and once you've done it, you need to mark as done. So now we're going to go in and we're going to follow the first instruction, which is click on your ePortfolio. So I'm just going to go in to a different class. I'm going to go into classwork. And I'm going down on the left-hand side. I'm clicking on ePortfolios. Now I'm going to take a student's ePortfolio here. And we will do, take a look at Hiwat's. Oh, okay, so Hiwat has a lot of items to add still to her ePortfolio, but we're looking at the speaking assessment. So here is the speaking assessment, and I'm going to click on it to see my mark. Double click. Okay, and I can see the mark is 3, and the task is tell your teacher how to sign up for a personal interest course. Okay, and I read my comments. I scroll up or down and read the comments, and I've written this down. Okay, so I'm going to move this into speaking artifacts and say move. Now it's in there. So now I'm going to go to the inventory sheets because that's my next instruction. Double click on inventory sheets and double click on the picture. And then at the bottom, click on speaking. Okay. And so now I can just make sure my name is there and the benchmark CLB5. I'm going to click down here and I'm going to write in the date, and today's date is February 19th, 2021. And the task, I'd written the title of it down. It is called Tell Julie How to Register for a Metro Course. Oops. Okay. Now I'm going to write it in here. Tell Julie how to register for a Metro course. And it was a formal assessment, and I'm looking at my instructions that I wrote down in my notebook. And, oops, I need to just, I've already scrolled down too far. I have to arrow up. I'm using the arrow on the keyboard to go up. Okay, so it's a formal assessment and it's giving instructions. And now I arrow down And if I got a 3, I click here on the top box. If I got a 2 or a 1, I click below. And now I just double check. I click the 3, giving instructions. I'm going to arrow up on my keyboard down below. And I'm checking formal assessment. Tell Julie how to register for Metro course, and the date is February 19th. Great. So now I want to go back. So I can click the back arrow here. Let's see what happens. And it takes me back to the inventory sheets. But now I need to go back to the classroom. So I have a lot of tabs open here at the top. I'm closing them. And I'm going to go back to the classroom here. Here is the classroom. Whoops, and I am on the teacher's side. So I got back to the assignment. I did everything. I read it over. Now I mark it as done. Very important step. Make me happy. Mark it as done. Okay, great. And that is how you put your speaking assessment into the ePortfolio and record it on the inventory sheet.